Okay, first of all, welcome to the channel. As I have explained all these things, like how to download it, how to install it, how to navigate through Canva, how what we can do in Canva. I think in this video I'm gonna explain how to create a content in Canva. When I say content, let's go with the Instagram post. There I will explain how we can create a content if you are using first time, how you can approach you know to create a content. I hope you have done your content related research previously. When I say content related research, let's example you want to create a health related content. Let's example how to live a healthy lifestyle, and what are the you know you can create the design here, but the content copy text you have to you know research it before starting the design. That's an example how to stay healthy, then maintain a proper sleep cycle, then drink enough water, work out every day, eat healthy meals, avoid junk foods, packaged item. All those things are should be already research already should have researched. That's that will be easy for you to create the content because you have already content in front of your screen. You just need to design a post for that. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a post for health related content. I've selected Instagram post because I'm gonna post it in the Instagram. Okay, come on. So I have selected social media post square. Now I'm searching for health related content. If I'll not get here, then I'm gonna search it in the search bar. Okay, that's enough. Health related content. Let's example healthy food. A mental health at least. Anything. I've selected mental health. You can see lots of sizes, lots of styles are there. So I want to further filter like an Instagram post for square size Instagram post. You can see lots of contents are there already. Come on, it's already there. So I will search for one thing. I'm just searching if something will looks good. I'll go ahead with this. Okay, let's an example. Yeah, this is looking good. Select the template. Then you have to customize it, right? Click on customize. Ta-da! The template is here. So you have to edit it. Right. So first I will explain how to edit those things because it's already there. So come on, go to element section. So as you can see, I have selected the template, and if you want to create any different page, let's example 2 page content, so you can just create go ahead and click here, go add page. It will add a new page here, and you want to change the color of the page, you can go ahead and change it from here. Pink, red, white, black. If you want to customize your color, you can choose here, and you want to pick it from the post itself, you can go ahead and pick that color. Let's example you have selected here and pick a color you want to do the next page with this color. Just click it here, and ta-da, the color of the page is changed, right? This is how we change the color of the page. We create a new page here. If you don't want to select here to add the page, that's good. There is another option to create a blank page in the right top of the design. If you want to duplicate the page, that's well and good. You can go ahead and click here. The page is duplicated. You can see, right? There are 2 pages in the same content. Now you want to insert any element in the post. Elements like line, arrow mark, space, select it. It will come here because these things. Let's example this is a shape only selected from this content screen and placed behind this beautiful content. Drink some tea. Oh, okay, cool. Now that you have selected this particular shape, you can change the. Once you will select this shape, you will get lots of things out there in the top of the screen. You want to change the color of the shape. You want to change the even these lines, right? You want to change the style of the line. You want to change the color of the line. That's fine. You can go ahead. Style, good, right? You want to even change the weight of the size, means width of the border. You want to change the corner design. That's fine, right? That's fun. Super easy. You want to add anything inside that shape, you have just entered it. Once you entered it, you want to change the font style. These are the font styles. There are lots of font styles are there. You can go ahead with this font size, this font size, these. You can do that. You want to change for all of the post, just click on change all everything are changed now. You want to undo it, Control Z. Now, as you have already written your content, you want to increase and decrease the font size. You can do it here. Change the font color. You can do it even here. Now this is red. I'll move it to white because I can't see red. Okay. Now, once you select the content, you can bold it. You can make this italic, underline, lowercase, uppercase, right alignment, left alignment, middle alignment, everything is there. You want to bullet line this, that's fine. You want to change the, you can't see it now. You want to change the, letter spacing. You want to change the line spacing. You want padding also. Padding means space. Okay, I will explain what is padding. Don't worry. I will explain it. Padding means the margin from both the sides. Once you select it, you will get where was it? Yeah, you'll not get here because that is a text box. As this is a shape, you will get padding here. Look, the padding means the margin. Ta-da. You want vertical alignment, middle alignment, down alignment. You can even choose that. That is super easy. You want to animate your text. Let's shape. Animate it like this. You want to change the intensity. You can even select here. You can change the style as well. So all these things are already available, right? Page animation, element animation, everything is there. You just have to get used to it. Create more and more and content, you'll get used to it. You want to even you'll say, what, this shape is there, I have few more content behind it, I want to fade this content, or if I want to little bit of transparency of this particular shape, go ahead, select the transparency, fully disappeared. Now it's transparent 58%. It's super, right? You want to change the, this is format painter, sorry, control Z. Okay, this is a format painter. If you're copying style from one place to another, that is that one. And if you want to link this particular, let's example, that is a different thing. I'm just telling more. Okay, I'll tell you. There are 3 pages, right? You want to link this particular shape to page 3. Once you click here, it will go to page 3. Now you cannot check it because once you publish it, then only it is possible, not now. That is a linking process. If you would have using uh, Wattpad and PowerPoint, there also you can find all these linking things, but not too much use in it. But yeah, good to know. So as you can see, I have explained how to use shape here. There are different types of shapes, like these are geometric shapes. There are arrow marks. There are different types, like comment, heart, cross sign, cloud. Everything is there. You can use it as per your choice. There are different graphics are there, like these things are there. Unsymmetric graphics. Then okay, cool. You can use these stickers, gradients, again stickers, lots of stickers are there, collection of stickers are there. You want to use them as well, that's fine, you can use it. Super easy. You want to delete it, just click on delete, it will get deleted. Super easy, right? There are lots of things are there under element section. As per your content demand, you can use all those things and you can download it. As well as, if you don't want to use these things and you want some other things, like some you have downloaded few things, you want to upload the image from your desktop, go to upload a file. It will open a prompt, you have to select anything from your desktop and open. Ta-da! Now it's uploading. Once it is uploaded, you can use it here. Okay, click and drag. Super easy, right? Then text. So when I select text, it is a text box. You want to add a blank text box, it's fine. A blank text box will be added. As for the post font, the template you have selected, right, that will have a predefined font. It will get selected. If you don't want it, don't like this font, you can always change it here. Now it's changed. Look, you can change the font size. These font sizes, like the font size, universal sizes we use. One is for heading, one is for subheading, one is for body. This is already defined and there. If you want to use them, that's fine. If you don't want to use it, that is also fine. You want to select one or multiple, uh, but what I can say, one or multiple items on a things on a screen. Just hold shift button on your keyboard and click. Now it's selected. Now you can drag and drop anywhere. Again, these things are already there. These are predefined templates. If you want to create your own design, that is also fine. That is possible. You have to select this after writing your content. You can go ahead and select your text box. Once you have selected it, go ahead and change the color of the image, or if you want to animate it, because this is an animation part, I believe. However, effect, sorry, not animation, effect. Once you have select this text box, you'll have different effects. Let's an example, you have selected neon effect. What is the intensity you want to use it? You want to have a straight line design or curved design. If you want a curve, how much curve you want, at what side, downside or upside, that is also it's there. You want some glitch type of effect, you can do that. What is the offset, what is your direction of that offset, what is the color combination you want to use, everything is possible. That is super easy in using Canva. Once you'll start creating those contents, it will be easy for you. I think I have explained that much. Anyway, let's I think I have explained all these things. Now what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'm creating, like, if you'll see, there are already posts available, uh, in my channel with where I am creating content. You can follow them. You can refer them while creating a content. It will be super easy for you. You can learn from there, because lots of things I can't explain in a single video. I'll be highlighting those things in those video where while I'm creating those contents. That should be fine, I believe, for you. I think that's it for this video. And next, yeah, I'm gonna also explain how to do your research for this content. Obviously, I'm gonna take health related topic. The same way I will explain, uh, you know, health related topic, how to choose a topic, how to do your research on the topic. That should be fine, I believe. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead.